In this video, we are going to see how we can share our TikTok account with someone, whether with a link, with a QR code, or directly on WhatsApp. Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, what you need to do is just head over to the profile from the bottom right hand corner. And once we are in our profile, you will see this option right here at the top, which says the share icon. Click on that and immediately you will get the QR code generated. You can take the print of it, and let's say that you want to place it on your store, your website, or any physical business. You can put it there, or otherwise if you want to copy the link, you can copy it right here. And as you can see, this link will be copied just like so. You can share it with someone on WhatsApp or on email, and also you can directly share the link from here. You click on share and you can either upload the status, you can share it on Facebook or WhatsApp, and it will be displayed just like this. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.